Hello YouTube, this is gonna be a video reveal kind of update status on my Hypergo model H16BM. It's a 1 through 16 scale monster truck you can call brushless. So many upgrades. I think I have other videos already there. So I'll be talking about this and showing you a clip of the vehicle running. So let's go for it. Thank you. So after this running clip here, I'll go back on showing the cars and all the parts and everything, how it looks after some run into the dirt. It was being driven by my son. He's 8 years old, and it just proves the point that this car can be operated by a much younger age. It takes a while until you practice. It tends to spin very often in the dirt, so he is still learning on how to get straight into a jump, but nothing to complain. This car is performing well, has a great run time and everything. So hope you enjoy the next session of this clip. Thank you. Bye. So here we are after another run. The car is holding up very well, going through some abuse. As you can see, there's dirt everywhere once more. It got into mud and a lot of really dry dirt. I had to glue the tires. They were coming unglued from the wheels, so I glued all 4 tires just to make sure they will not come unglued. Everything is working. Did not break any single part. Shocks are working well, both front and rear working pretty well. Also, the motor and the ESC didn't suffer. I mean, it got a lot of dust, but the fan is still working. Didn't get water into the receiver here, which is good because this receiver, it's not waterproof. So yes, you don't want to get the receiver to get wet. I didn't protect it, so it's just running like that. As you can see, the dirt everywhere here into the suspension, and the how they call this, the front differential. There's a lot of dirt there, rear as well, but the differential is still working. As you can see, I can hold the back wheel and just one wheel is spinning. Same goes to the front. If I hold one of the wheels, hard to do it, see just one wheel spinning. It's working very well. This car is holding up very well. See? My son actually is still using the same old body. We haven't tried the other body yet. I will try to get this, but after so many bumps, flips, rollovers, it did start to crack a little bit here in the back as well, but it's working. I mean, if you see what this car is going through, I don't think it's nothing. It's really too bad about this. So yeah, I gotta clean this car now. I will not throw water or anything. I don't wanna damage parts that doesn't need to get water. pretty decent car. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you have not. Drop a like, and I'll be posting some more reviews on this little car as we get this to be used.